Mr. Ness here for More Famous Foods. Today I'm going to show you guys how we do our avocado toast. Okay, let's start this stuff. We got our avocado here. Didn't want you guys to see me taking out the seeds, so just take this out here. There we go. All right. Try and make this as quick and easy as possible. All right. Now we're gonna just smash our avocados. Oh yes. So we're gonna add some garlic. Salt, pepper, okay, got our butter, do our toast. Minutes per side. Okay, we're going to turn these over. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to take these off now. We're good. And then we move on to the next step. Alright, so spread out the avocado. Every inch of that bread. Now, the lemon juice. Again, this is More Famous version, okay? And some red pepper flakes. That's it. Let's enjoy.